Hello and welcome to another fantastic video today. My name is Jake Green and Head of Technical Engagement here at the Scolmore Group. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about medical solutions. Now, the guys here at Click, the fantastic designers that we have for all of the products, have put together a complete range when it comes to medical solutions. You can see some of the fantastic products here that we've got. And today, we're just going to run through some of the features and benefits that we will see throughout this range and some of the solutions that we can provide you as a contractor. Now, one of the main features and benefits of the products that we see here is on these molded plastic products, they're made from a product that is called urea formaldehyde. Now, with the properties of those, when you mix the two together, it creates an antiviral and antimicrobial property. Now, I'm going to flash up some points on the screen here where you can see some of the kill-off rates, but as a general rule of thumb, envelope viruses are killed off, which is 99.9% within 4 hours. So that's one of the great features of these products. So if you're looking for something to do with cleaning, so you've got some regimes set up and you're going around wiping down these products within your hospital or whether it's in your medical location, then check out these products because they could save you on that. Yeah. Now, one of the other features and benefits of these products is, as you can clearly see here, is that we've got the outboard rockers and we've also got the red outboard switches as well. And we can see up here that we've got the green ones. Now, part of the regulations is to make sure that they're readily identifiable between other products. So again, just with you in mind, we don't want to just give you the basic switches and sockets, although yes, that you do need them in there. We've also managed to identify the fact that we're going to need the outboard rockers and we're going to need them to be identifiable between the two. Now, this particular product may look a bit unfamiliar to you because it's not really ever seen within medical situations. However, it should be there is a requirement for these products to be pretty much everywhere when it comes to Group 1 and Group 2 locations. And this is the POAG sockets here. You can see here that I've got the single one and I've also got the double one up above here. Now, they're primarily for when you're working in Group 1 and 2 locations, as I've already mentioned, and they're making sure that the potential between pieces of equipment and other pieces of equipment, or maybe that's sockets, are at the same potential. So it's vitally important that actually when you start to come into these Group 1s and 2s locations that you are fitting these POAG sockets. And again, we've got you in mind when it comes to that because we've fitted it with exactly the same plate as you can see up here. So keeping that nice uniformity throughout. Now, you may have seen some of these blue sockets within your Group 1 and 2 locations. They are primarily, as it says here on the front, for medical equipment only. Now, it has been etched onto the front here, so it's not going to harvest any dust. One of the big things within medical locations is looking at infection control, and this complies with that. So we do it in a single one here, and as you can see, we've got the double one at the top here, right behind me. So if you're looking for medical equipment sockets for permanent use, then again, we have you covered. Now, anyone that's familiar with the Click range will know that we already do the Part M. So apologies if you're watching this. Just to let you know that we do Part M as well. So if you're looking for the point difference that's needed against the white wall, again, we have you covered. It comes in this lovely anthracite grey, and it's absolutely perfect for complying with the Part M regulations. Now, one of the latest products to hit the range is the EBBs, equitential bonding buzz bars. So you can see this one here, I've got an 18-way. We also do it in a 40-way that you can see clearly on the wall here. Fantastic product with the contractor in mind. It has been designed by a contractor as well, so he's had some ultimate feedback into this. But we can see here that we've got the center point with the main bond and all the ones coming off the side of it. Lots of nice space around it, and it also comes with a lid, the labels, and the chart in the back to easily identify where your bonds are going to. So if you're looking for the perfect solution when it comes to Group 1 and 2 medical locations, then we have got the absolute ultimate EBB for you guys. Please be sure to check it out. So before I forget to mention, I've been told that I need to mention this product. This is the lockable socket. It comes with a neon on it and without a neon as well. So if you're looking to take away a key and make sure that nobody is plugging into your system, then again, we have got you covered here at the Click Scolmore Group. Now, before we wrap up the rest of this video, we do need to mention that there is a 20-year guarantee, no quibble as well. So if you get any issues with our products, feel free to get in touch with us and bring them back to us. I'm sure you won't. But there is also one other service that we offer as well, and that's laser etching. So if you need something bespoke to identify something in your medical location, then we can do that for you as well. Thank you for watching the video and be sure to tune in again soon.